So far, we've built a simple interface that looks good in all our devices. Let's bring up the simulator again. Now what happens if we actually try to enter something in here? Like $5.25. And if I calculate the tip, it doesn't actually do anything yet. We haven't actually written any code. Now if we remember back to our intro to Swift, we learned that we could actually calculate tips by taking a number times another number, perhaps the value of this number, and taking it times 20%, and we'll get an output. Which reminds us, we need some place to display the output. So let's add another label here. We'll just start this at 0.00. We can come over here to the inspector and change the way this looks. Like I can make this a lot bigger. We'll make it centered. I'm just putting these zeros here as placeholders, so we can kind of get a feel for it. You know, we might have an expensive meal, so the tip may be, $100 or more, and then they'll have 2 decimal places. And here, we don't want this dollar sign here, we just want numbers. Now here's a question. How do we get from the user entering an amount to pressing the button to actually displaying the tip for the user? This view controller is already connected to this viewcontroller.swift file. So if you come up here to the inspector and click on this icon, you'll see Class ViewController. As you continue on your app development journey, you can actually use your own custom classes here. For now, we'll just use the one that comes with a new project. So you can think of this file as being associated with this view. But Xcode needs to be told what to do. It needs to know that there's a label here that you want to manipulate, and it needs to know that there's a button here that's supposed to do something. Enough talk, let's do this.